हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सभी ठीक होंगे. सो गाइस, today's video is gonna be very interesting because we are gonna discuss about a very hot topic, which is the top ranked NITs. Yes, you heard it right, the top ranked NITs. So guys, बिना किसी खिचपिच के let's start our video. Guys, मैं थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस जरूर बनाए रखूंगी for the top ranked NIT. So make sure you watch the whole video and get information regarding the NITs. Guys, please ध्यान में रखिएगा, ये सभी जो रैंकिंग है वो 2020 की है. So starting with our 49th ranked NIT, which is National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. So established in the year 1987, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology provides education at the undergraduate, doctoral and postgraduate level in the fields of science, technology and engineering, presently as per the central government. Its location is in Jalandhar, Punjab. Its fee structure is rupees 6.76 lakh. It's the total fee and the campus size is 160 acres. Talking about the facilities, the college has sufficient infrastructure having well-equipped labs, spacious and ventilated classrooms, a library having thousands of books of national and international journals, computer center with internet facility, a central workshop having all the necessary equipments. The other facilities provided by the college are hostel facility, then transportation facility and sports facility. The average placement package offered here is rupees 8.57 lakh per annum and the highest placement package is rupees 43.3 lakh per annum. Category wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Jalandhar are clearly visible. Coming to the 48th rank NIT, which is NIT Silchar. National Institute of Technology Silchar was started as a regional engineering college in 1967. The college started its academic program with affiliation from Guwahati University. In 2002, it was included in the list of NITs under the National Institute of Technology Act 2007. So, its location is in Silchar, Assam. Its fee structure is rupees 1.48 lakhs. It's the first year fees. And the campus size is 625 acres. Talking about the facilities, the campus has state-of-art infrastructure including science and engineering laboratories, workshops, then health centers, post office, bank, shopping center, games and sports facility, physical facility, staff quarters, recreation facility and separate hostels for both boys as well as girls. The average placement package offered here is rupees 7.70 lakhs per annum and the highest placement package is rupees 35 lakh per annum. Category wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Silchar are clearly visible. So now let us come to the next NIT, which is the 44th ranked NIT, which is the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra. So National Institute of Technology Kurukshetra was established in the year 1963 and is an institute of national importance. It is one of the 31 NITs set up by the Government of India to provide students best class technical education. Its location is in Kurukshetra, Haryana. Its fee structure is rupees 56,716. It's the first year fees. And the campus size is 300 acres. Talking about the facilities which are provided by this NIT. So the NIT campus is housed in hostels, residential building for staff, sports area, institutional building, admin building, medical center, post office, SBI branch, store, central workshop, library and computer center. The highest salary package offered here is rupees 43.31 lakh per annum and the average salary package offered here is rupees 10.75 lakh per annum. category-wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Kurukshetra are clearly visible. Now let's come to our 42nd ranked NIT, which is National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. So Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad was established in the year 1961 as one of the 17 regional engineering colleges in India. Its location is in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Its fee structure is rupees 84,666. It is the first year fees. Then the campus size is 222 acres. Talking about the facilities which are provided by this NIT, the campus has a state-of-the-art infrastructure with all modern amenities and the latest facilities as per the regulatory norms like library, computer center, health center, bank, post office, canteen, transport and separate hostels for girls as well as boys. The average placement package is rupees 9.6 lakh per annum and the highest placement package is rupees 39.3 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoff for the various engineering branches of NIT Allahabad are clearly visible. So, coming to our 30th ranked NIT, which is National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. The Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology was founded in the year 1960 as the Visvesvaraya Regional College of Engineering. The institution is one of the country's 31 NITs and top engineering schools. Its location is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Its fee structure is rupees 1.49 lakhs, it's the first year fees. And the campus size is 215 acres. So now let's talk about the facilities which is provided by this NIT. So NIT Nagpur has equipped labs and workshops, well spacious and ventilated lecture halls, well-stocked library, state-of-art computing facility with internet connectivity, seminar hall and auditorium, sports facility for the students, separate hostels for boys and girls and many more. The highest placement package offered here is rupees 22 lakh per annum, whereas the average placement package is rupees 3.3 lakh per annum. Coming to our 29th ranked NIT, which is NIT Durgapur. Established in 1960, NIT Durgapur is an institute of national importance and one of the first 8 regional colleges set up to impart quality education in the field of engineering. Its location is in Durgapur, West Bengal. Its fee structure is rupees 1.49 lakhs. It's the first year fees and the campus area is 187 acres. Talking about the facilities, the college has excellent infrastructure having well-equipped labs, full furnished classrooms, research facilities, computer center for staff and students with high-speed internet connectivity. The college also provides sports facility, separate hostel facility for boys and girls, and much more. The highest placement package offered here is rupees 33 lakh per annum, whereas the average placement package is rupees 9.9 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Durgapur are clearly visible. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं हमारे 25th रैंक्ड NIT की बारे में, जो कि है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी कैलिकट. The National Institute of Technology Calicut was established in the year of 1961 as Calicut Regional Engineering College. In the year of 2002, it has been recognized as the deemed university. The campus is approved by the AICTE. It is an institute of the national importance and also one of the few institutions hosting the supercomputer of its own. It is federally funded technical university. Its location is in Calicut, Kerala. Its fee structure is 53,797. It is the first year fees and the campus size is 300 acres. Talking about the facilities, NIT Calicut campus comprises in the guest house, health center, separated hostel for boys, 12 hostels for boys and 4 hostels for girls. Then physical education complex, language laboratory, daycare center, transportation, gym facilities, swimming pool, open theatre, auditorium, sports and cricket ground, Ranji Trophy has been played, central computer lab, central library and technology business incubator. The average placement package here is 11.58 lakh per annum. Yes, it's the average one. And the highest placement package is rupees 49.7 lakh per annum. It's really a very big deal. The 23rd ranked NIT is none other than NIT Warangal. India's former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru founded the National Institute of Technology at Warangal in 1959. Previously, this college was known as Regional Engineering College. NIT Warangal is the first among the 30 NITs established in the country. Its location is in Warangal. Its fee structure is rupees 1.3 lakhs. It's the first year fees and the campus size is 240 acres. Coming to the facilities of this NIT provides advanced research center, 100 laboratories, center library, auditorium, student activity center, computer center, indoor game complex, seminar hall, stadium, dispensary and transportation. The campus is housed in 13 academic departments, 16 residential blocks, director's bungalow, staff quarters, guest house and administrative block. Its fee structure is 2,15,600 per year. The highest placement package offered here is rupees 82 lakh per annum, whereas the average placement package is rupees 18 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoff for the various engineering branches of NIT Warangal are clearly mentioned. Coming to our 20th ranked NIT, which is NIT Rourkela. NIT Rourkela is a centrally funded engineering college located in the steel city of Rourkela in Odisha. The college was established in the year 1961 with the name Regional Engineering College Rourkela. The NIT Rourkela is one of the 30 NITs established in India and recognized as the Institute of National Importance by the NIT Act 2007. Its location is in Odisha. Its campus size is 647 acres. Talking about the facilities, the college has excellent infrastructure and offering wide range of facilities to the students. The college has well-equipped labs and workshops, spacious and ventilated classrooms, sports and gym facilities for the students, separate hostel facilities for the boys and girls, auditorium facility, a separate cricket ground, swimming pool, etc. Its fees is rupees 2.26 lakhs per year. The highest placement package offered here is rupees 42 lakh per annum, whereas the average package is rupees 8.75 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Rourkela are clearly mentioned. Talking about our 10th ranked NIT, which is NIT Karnataka. National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal was established on 6th August 1960 by the Government of India. The campus is approved by the MHRD and is an autonomous institution. This institution was previously known as Karnataka Regional Engineering College. It is one of the 30 NITs of India and recognized as the Institute of National Importance. Its fee structure is rupees 1.53 lakhs. It's the first year fees and the campus size is 295 acres. Talking about the facilities, The campus has its own private beach on the shore of Arabian Sea. Yes guys, you heard it right. Own private beach. The campus provides the accommodation to the admin staff, academic staff, and non-teaching staff on its campus. The campus provides the ambience hostel facility to the students, including the canteen, mess, sports court, gym, and cafeteria. The campus also provides the market center, cooperative society, bank, post office, hospital, guest house, library, and laboratories. The highest placement package offered here is Rs 59.5 lakh per annum, and the average placement package is Rs 10.8 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoffs of various engineering branches of NIT Karnataka are clearly visible. So guys, finally the suspense is over. Now I'm gonna tell you about our top ranked NIT, which has been ranked 9th, which is NIT Tiruchirappalli. Yes, you heard it right. NIT Tiruchirappalli. National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. It is commonly known as NIT Trichy. So it has been started in the year 1964 as the joint venture of the government of Tamil Nadu and the government of India. Its location is in Tamil Nadu. Its fee structure is Rs 1.49 lakhs. It is the first year fees, and its campus size is 800 acres. Talking about the facilities, the campus has a big library with over 1 lakh of volumes, then girls hostel, boys hostel, mess, laboratories, research center, canteens, SBI bank, ATM facility, hospital facility, and quarters for faculty members. The highest placement package offered is Rs 42 lakh per annum, whereas the average placement package offered is Rs 6.5 lakh per annum. Category-wise cutoffs for the various engineering branches of NIT Trichy are clearly mentioned. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and have gained a lot of information regarding our top ranked NIT. Guys, I truly would like to wish you all the very best. Guys, please keep working hard with your full determination, with your full focus, and once you have done it, even the Almighty can't stop you from reaching your goal, from reaching these top ranked NITs. Guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope it has proven helpful to you. Thank you very much.